Hey everyone, let's talk veggies. These aren't just side dishes, they're your secret weapons for a healthier, happier you. Think of them as your own team of superheroes, each with unique powers to keep your body running in tip-top shape. We're talking vibrant colors, amazing flavors, and a whole lot of goodness in every bite. From boosting your energy to protecting you from nasty illnesses, veggies are the real deal. And the best part? They're easy to find, easy to cook, and super versatile. Throw them in a salad, grill them on the barbecue, or blend them into a smoothie. The possibilities are endless. So are you ready to unleash the power of veggies? Let's dive in and discover what these nutritional powerhouses can do for you. First up, let's hear it for the mighty tomato. This juicy red wonder is bursting with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to a healthier heart. Lycopene helps fight off bad cholesterol and keeps your blood flowing smoothly. Think of it this way: tomatoes are like little bodyguards for your heart, protecting it from harm. And who doesn't love a juicy tomato on their burger or in a salad? Here's a simple recipe idea: chop up some fresh tomatoes, toss them with some olive oil and garlic, and roast them in the oven until they're soft and caramelized. Simple, delicious, and good for your heart. Next on our veggie hit list is spinach, the Iron King. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body, which means more energy for you to power through your day. Feeling sluggish? Ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a spinach-packed smoothie instead. Just blend together a handful of spinach, a banana, some berries, and a splash of water or milk. You'll be amazed by the energy boost. But spinach's powers don't stop there. It's also packed with vitamins and minerals that support healthy bones, eyesight, and even a strong immune system. Popeye was onto something with this leafy green. Section 4: Carrot Power Beta-carotene for a healthy glow. Let's move on to carrots, the crunchy orange wonders that are famous for their beta-carotene content. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is crucial for healthy skin, good eyesight, and a strong immune system. Think of carrots as little wands of sunshine, giving your skin a healthy glow from the inside out. And the best part, they're delicious raw. Keep a bag of baby carrots in your fridge for a quick and easy snack. You can also add them to stir fries, soups, or even bake them into muffins for a touch of sweetness and a nutritional boost. Section 5: Broccoli Power Fiber Up for happy digestion. Now, let's give it up for broccoli, the king of fiber. Fiber is like a superhero for your digestive system, keeping things moving smoothly and helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Think of broccoli as a broom for your gut, sweeping away all the bad stuff and leaving you feeling light and energized. Plus, it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fight off inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Try roasting broccoli with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt and pepper for a simple and delicious side dish. Or add it to stir fries, soups, or even pizzas for an extra dose of nutrition. Section 6: Blueberry Power Boost your brain with every bite. Last but not least, let's not forget about blueberries, the tiny titans of the fruit world. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved brain function, memory, and even protection against age-related cognitive decline. Think of blueberries as brain food, helping you stay sharp, focused, and mentally agile. Pop a handful in your yogurt, sprinkle them on your cereal, or enjoy them on their own for a sweet and satisfying snack. And remember, every little bit counts. Even adding a few extra blueberries to your diet can make a difference in the long run. Section 7: Embrace the veggie power. So there you have it, your very own guide to the amazing world of vegetables. From boosting your heart health to giving you glowing skin and a sharper mind, these nutritional powerhouses are your secret weapons for a healthier, happier you. Start small by adding an extra serving of veggies to your plate each day. Experiment with different cooking methods and flavors to find what you enjoy most. And don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With a little imagination and a dash of veggie power, you can transform your meals into delicious and nutritious feasts that will fuel your body and mind. Now go forth and embrace the veggie power, and be sure to share your favorite veggie recipes and tips in the comments below.